hearty welcome to the new academic year 2020-21. I hope all of you are safe, including all your family members are also safe, and all of you are maintaining a very good health. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all of you for getting promoted to this new academic year 2020-21. As per the instructions of JNTU Kakinada, we are starting these online classes from 20th August, and I should appreciate all the faculty for the efforts that they have put in for preparing these online lectures with the PowerPoint presentations. I request all the students to make the best use of these online classes, as we are really uncertain about when the physical classwork is going to commence. And during the past 4 months also, you have not been idle. The second year students were given online classes for the completion of the syllabus in the first year, second semester. And the third year and final year students were given online classes for the campus recruitment training. And I appreciate all the students for being serious in learning the programming language, that is Python. And all of you have given good attendance and also have taken the assignments and the examinations conducted by during the campus recruitment training. And I wish that you continue with the same pace in learning the core subjects also, which our faculty are going to deliver with utmost information that includes blackboard teaching and usage of these ICTs and also the video lectures. I expect all the students that you be prepared with the laptops, because most of it, if you take, there will be programming subjects which you need to practice. So training itself will not give you enough knowledge without any practice. So I hope that you will continue with the same spirits as you have done for the past 4 months in attending these online sessions seriously and getting the required doubts clarified by the faculty in the due course. I wish you all the very best for the coming academic year 2020-21. And for second years, definitely this is a new experience that you are all going to the core learning part, that is you are going to your own departments, and our faculty will guide you with the academic calendars, the syllabus and the lesson plans. And coming to the third years, I think this is the right time that you have to plan your career, and not only attending these regular online classes, we are going to schedule the training classes also in due course, which you have to take it very seriously, because the foundation that is laid in the third year first semester will yield good results when you take up the placements. And final years, you are almost ready with the training part. Recently we have done the company specific training, that is for TCS Code Vita. I hope all of you have done very well, and we are just waiting for the results, and there are some more companies that are lined up. I wish that the training that you had so far will definitely yield good results, and you are going to take it up further by doing more number of practice sessions. We are here to help you out in conducting the online tests for getting the placements done. Once again, I wish all the students the very best for the academic year 2020-21. Thank you.
Second year BTech students, welcome you all after a long break of 4 months. At the outset, I congratulate you for the successful completion of your first year course. I once again welcome you all to the classes, to the online classes. So now you are entering into the real engineering course First year, all through, you have studied the basics of physics, mathematics, and chemistry, apart from the some electrical and electronics basic engineering. But now you are entering into the departments, your respective departments, that is computer science people will go to the computer science department, EC people will go to the EC department, and you are going to the respective departments. And the departments, your HOD, your head of the department, and other senior members will talk to you after this. And also show you the facilities of the laboratories and other facilities, and also introduce themselves. And I am sure from tomorrow onwards, you are going to have these online classes in a very, very effective way. So you are requested to follow these online classes very carefully. In fact, these online classes, the content is sometimes more attractive than your classroom itself. Yes, in the classroom, only they use the blackboard and chalk piece. Very few times they use the PPTs. Now, the content is provided with PPTs, with examples, and also with explanations, sometimes with great illustration for your easy understanding. So try to follow it very carefully every day and do it. And now, as you are entering into the engineering courses, so develop altogether a different attitude towards the engineering course. The attitude would be, so far up to +2, that is up to intermediate or school, and also to some extent in the first year, you are very much bothered about the memorization of the content and reproduction in the examinations. From now onwards, you have to be very creative. You have to have a totally different approach. That is the engineering approach. Every point you should understand. Not only that, every skill you should understand, and also every practical approach also. After coming to the college, you will have the laboratories and all that. But for the basics of those laboratories, now you are going to have it through online. So from now onwards, from second year onwards, you will have a totally different approach towards the content. That is not only understanding a fit, you have to be able to apply the different concepts on different occasions for different instruments, different experiments, and different social problems and research problems. This is the approach you have to make out from the second year onwards. At the outset, I congratulate you for the successful completion of the second year course. Now we are going to start the classes for this year 2020 from today onwards. All of you to register the courses as early as possible. Follow the instructions of your teachers. So try to listen to these classes very carefully, and if you have any doubts, ask your teacher immediately or after a day or so, because every teacher will give you their email addresses and also phone numbers. You can clarify your doubts very much, and yes. Now, because being in the third year, already I think you are in the CRT preparation. From now onwards, you have to prepare yourselves for the placements, apart from the regular instruction, apart from the completion of your course as per the curriculum. You have to gear up yourselves for the preparation for the placements, for your jobs. So every day, 1 hour or 1.5 hours would be allotted to teach you about the programming skills and also other aspects required for the placements. Try to be attentive for those things also. By the end of this year, by the end of third year, unlike in previous years, most of your placements would be completed. But only thing is, you must be ready with your preparation. You should be good in your content. I mean, if you're good in your course curriculum, and also good in other aspects like programming skills, attitudes, and other aspects also. So this is a very crucial year for all of you. Don't waste your time just like that. Only thing, you have to have a clear roadmap to be successful in the placements. Placements, so though the entire thing is in the lockdown, companies are conducting drives through online, and that too for the third year students. So by the end of third year, by the end of this semester, you must be ready for the placements. Again, I am telling you, one side with your engineering knowledge, the other side, development of attitude and other things. So you must be ready for both the things, develop my attitudes, resume writing, and the communication skills. All these things are also necessary apart from your engineering knowledge and the marks. Final year students, I welcome you all to the final year, last year of your course, to the institution after a big break of 4 months. At the outset, I really congratulate you for the successful completion of your course. Now you are in the final year. You have to be you have to take a totally different mood, different approach. In the final year, on one side, you have to complete the course. That is the first thing. And for the completion of the courses, the difference between the previous years and this year is there may not be internships because many companies are not open. So we do not know when they open. If they open by the end of the first semester, that is by December, okay, we can try for internships. Otherwise, if it is extended, it may not be possible. At that moment, you have to cover both the first semester and second semester courses also. That is one issue, one side. The second side of preparation is you have to prepare yourselves for your placements, for your jobs. And otherwise, the whole thing is, again, like others, you will also be in confusion. So the companies are very much conducting drives through online. So you must be geared up for that. That may start in the first semester and goes up to the second semester, midway second semester. So by the end of the first semester, you have to complete one side, you have to work for the course, the other side, you have to work for your placements. For the placements, all of you are aware that you should attend to the CRT program. Not only attending to the CRT program, you have to work, have lots of exercise to develop the programming skills apart from the other skills. So for the placements, other important aspect for you all, yes, especially for those students who are in the final year, is the development of positive attitude. So, yes, when in the placement drives, they test your knowledge through written test online, maybe. So, but the basic thing, most important thing is your interview, HR round. HR round, the main component is they assess your attitude. What attitude you are working with. What is your attitude towards yourselves? What is your attitude towards your teachers? What is your attitude towards the institution? What is your attitude towards the parents and society at large? This is what is going to be assessed. If you are very good, 99% or 90% in academics with good percentages, qualified in written test also conducted by the companies. If you are not good in your attitudes, then there is no possibility of getting a placement. Yes, this we have seen in many cases in previous years. They are very good students, their marks are very good, and they are doing extremely well in the examinations, but when their attitudes are not right, so they may miss the opportunity. Attitudes cannot be developed on the day of interview. Attitudes need to be developed from one phase to other. You should always approach a positive attitude towards others, positive attitude towards work, positive attitudes towards the whole society. So this is the kind of attitude you need to develop. I know your problem. So because you are totally in a different mood from the last 4 months, so it takes some time to get into this track. So it may take 3-4 days for some people, maybe 6-7 days for some other people to come to the learning mode. Try to come as early as possible to the learning mode, and don't miss any class. And not only listening of it, try to make a note of every explanation what the teachers are telling it to you. Try to complete, because you have ample time after 3-4 hours teaching. So complete the work on the same day so that you will have any burden or any pressure like like in previous years. So this is one thing. Second thing is be ready for placements, attending to the CRT program and other things. And third aspect is try to complete at least 2-3 online courses also, either from Coursera or from NPTEL classes, so that it adds value to your certificates when you are appearing for placements. So that adds real beauty for your placements. So this is how we have to make it. And I hope you understand the very spirit of the institute and spirit of your faculty members. And it is only, the whole thing is to give a lot of advantage to you.
My dear students, I am Dr. V. Sujata, Head of the Department, Computer Science and Engineering. I welcome all of you to the new academic year 2020-21. As already you know, during this pandemic corona period of time, the conduction of regular classwork in the normal mode is almost impossible. We are planning to commence the classwork in the online mode. So I request all of you to be ready for listening to these online classes. I once again welcome all the second year students to our department side, and while coming to our department, I am glad to announce that all of our department faculty are well ready for the smooth conduction of the online classwork with their video lectures, e-content, etc. under the supervision of our chairman sir as well as the supervision of our beloved principal ma'am. And while coming to our department side, we are having 5 doctorates. As already you know, the entire world is driving towards the new eras such as data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Our CSE department is fueling all the eras with various concepts like Python and R. And in your academic semester, you are having the Python language that is referred by the JNTUK under 2-1 semester. So I hope all of you are paying much more interest, much more concentration in learning the Python subject. Apart from the Python subject, various another subjects are already there. I sincerely advise all of you to learn all of these academic subjects with much more enthusiasm and interest, and parallelly cope up with your schedule learning aptitude, reasoning and technical subjects like C and C++. So while coming for the third years, as already you know the strengths of our departments, I am briefly reviewing that. I hope all of you in this 4 months period of time, you are enjoying with some fruitful work in your hand by practicing the technical subjects as well as aptitude, reasoning and C, C++ and Java. And my sincere advice towards you is the consistent hard work is needed, daily 5 hours for practicing all these issues and making your dreams come true, that is to be placed in a highest multinational company with most high package and make your parents' dreams come true. And while coming for our final year students, as you are the major assets from our department, I sincerely request all of you from all your side the 100% hard work, 100% commitment, determination and confidence levels are required to be placed in a multinational company. And I am having the confidence that 90% of you will be placed in the most major companies. Thank you all of you.
Respected Chairman Sir, beloved Principal Ma'am, HODs, staff and the students, I welcome you all to this inauguration ceremony of the new academic year. I am Dr. G. Sandhya, HOD of ECE Department. On behalf of ECE Department, I welcome all 2nd, 3rd and 4th year ECE students for the academic year 2021. First of all, I am congratulating the 2nd year students for their successful completion of the 1st year under the department BS&H. Now you are going to enter into the mother department. In the 2nd year, we are going to have core subjects which are base for further courses of electronics and communication engineering. All these subjects deals the fundamental concepts. Definitely you may feel new and difficult while listening. But I am suggesting you, make your doubts clarified in the same class without shy or hesitation. With the suggestions from the Chairman Sir and from the Principal Ma'am, we prepared a lot of digital content and digital videos for the conduction of online classes. Though we are in panic situation, we have done all these things only because of the encouragement given by our Chairman Sir and Principal Ma'am. Thank you very much, Ma'am, and thank you very much, Sir. And for 3rd year and 4th year, you are already aware of the department and the way the subjects are. Along with the academics, 3rd year and 4th year students have to concentrate on the GATE and also the recruitments. For the 3rd year and 4th year, already many online training classes were conducted, and in future also online classes will be scheduled. There exists some specific training, company specific trainings also. So be patient and do hard work, then only you'll get job before the completion of your 4th year. And you know, in these situations, no company will do physical interviews. All the companies will do online only. So while attending online interviews, you have to be very careful about your attitude, your presentation, your communication skills. So I'm suggesting all the 3rd year and 4th year, please improve your communication skills and make a good attitude and do hard work and get some success. I'm requesting all the 2nd, 3rd and 4th year students, while listening to classes, you have to be careful and you have to be with self-control and be there for the entire class and listen to class as a live class, as a physical class. Then only you will get all the information conveyed by your teacher. Thank you.
Respected Chairman Sir, Principal Madam, HODs of other departments, my dear faculty and dear students, I welcome you all to the first semester of the academic year 2021 being inaugurated today from the Department of EEE. From the Department of EEE, I would welcome all the second EEE students to this session. I would like to convey that the EEE department has got well-versed faculty who will be dealing with the core subjects and also you will be well versed with all the subjects. So on this auspicious occasion, I would like to introduce the second year subjects. So in the second year EEE, you will be dealing with electrical circuits, electrical machines 1, EMF, THPM, MEFA and EDC subjects. So in R19 regulations, you have been introduced one more subject which is a non-credit course, which is Essence of Indian Traditional Knowledge, which will be giving you the essence of our traditional knowledge. So it is a non-credit course and remaining all are credit courses. All these courses are very much essential because entering into the second year itself means you are being introduced to the electrical engineering department. So you will be dealing with all the core subjects and concentrating on these core subjects is very much essential. I also welcome the second and fourth year students to this session will be a peculiar session because in this pandemic situation, the live classes is not possible and so we are going through this online classes. So I request all of students to be prepared for this online sessions. So for successful conduction of this online sessions, we all require the proper net connectivity, a laptop or a desktop for regular conduction of classes. This will be helpful to all the students in order to follow all the subjects properly. So we should concentrate on the academics. At the same time, in the third year and fourth year students have to concentrate on your future also. That means you have to be full-fledged with your core subjects so that you can write your GATE exam, and also you have to be well versed with the communication skills so that you can get a better placements. So I request all the third years and fourth years to concentrate along with your academics also on the communication skills and the placement activities which are going on continuously. Thank you one and all.
Dear students, I am Dr. V. Lakshman Narayana, Head of the Department of Information Technology. I welcome you all for the new academic year 2020-21. From the past 4 months, we are all fighting with the COVID pandemic. We don't know when the situations will be normal. For that, we are going to plan our new semester from August 20. I welcome all the second year students to the Department of Information Technology. For third years and fourth years, we already had interactions during the lockdown period, and all the third years and fourth years, I hope you all are adopted with the new digital technologies. Along with the regular classwork, I request all the students to concentrate more on programming concepts. It is a very tough time for you, but we need to adopt to the new technologies. Along with the regular classwork, you have to spend more time concentrating on programming subjects, improving your programming skills. Along with that, so you need to concentrate on your placements also. All our faculty members are working hard, and we prepared a very good digital content for you. All the students are requested to attend the classes continuously, make all the proper arrangements. We don't know when the situations will be normal. So all the students, it's time to concentrate on your academics, and you should adopt new technologies. You need to concentrate on your percentage, academic percentages also. Dear students, It might take some time to adopt for online classes, but the future of education is going to be online. So you need to spend much more time to adopt to the new technologies. All the faculty members are very much ready to conduct online classes. The digital content is prepared. From your side, you need to spend more time in internet to listen to the classes. Along with that, you need to take your own time to practice programming concepts, to practice other subjects also. Thank you all. I wish you all the best for your academic year, and take care of your health, take care of your family members' health also. Thank you.